Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how does Prime Video ads work. So let's get started. Prime Video ads provide advertisers with the opportunity to reach customers as they browse and discover new content within the Prime Video app on living room devices. These ad placements are available to both transactional video on demand and Prime Video channels advertisers. Transactional video on demand refers to the model where viewers pay for individual pieces of content on a per view or rental basis. Prime Video offers TVOD option for renting and purchasing movies and TV shows. Advertisers can target viewers who are browsing or purchasing TVOD content with relevant ads. Prime Video ads can be displayed on various living room devices, including smart TVs, streaming media players, gaming consoles, and other connected devices that support the Prime Video app. This allows advertisers to target viewers while they are engaged in lean back, long form content consumption experiences. Prime Video channels allow users to subscribe to third party streaming services such as HBO, Showtime, or CBS All Access directly through their Prime Video account. Advertisers can target viewers who are exploring or subscribe to these channels with tailored ads. By leveraging this ad placement, advertisers can engage with audiences in a highly targeted and contextual manner, maximizing the effectiveness of their ad campaigns and driving desired outcomes such as brand awareness, content discovery, or subscription acquisition. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.